you start crab stitch or reverse single crochet at the end of the row you've just completed. There's no need to chain. So you'll work into the last stitch you just did. It's not quite a yarn over, but you hook it, pull it through. There's 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through. So you are creating single crochets, but you are working from left to right instead of right to left. Next stitch to the right, single crochet. It's used as a border. Be very hard to work into. You can see it gives a very nice finished twisted edge.